But after 6 months, he was able to live, no, dinugtungan po ni Lord ng buhay niya ng 6 more years because of this product, Nurture Placenta. Pwede ba natin palakpakan? Not only my father, but my mom, the people around me, my friends and my family, even me, and I have a son with autism who also benefited from the product. He started taking at the age of 6, non-verbal, no eye contact, hirap po siyang matulog, he cannot sleep. My very concern during that time, bago ko po siya pinainom, at the age of 6, he was taking 3 milligrams of melatonin just to sleep. If at the age of 6, you are taking melatonin just to sleep, you think tatanda ka. And that was my only concern during that time. Dahil tanggap ko na siya kung whatever, anong mangyari, tanggap ko na siya kung ano hanggang saan lang siya. Tama po ba?
Yes.
But then when he started taking the product, just 3 days after, naging normal yung tulog niya up until now. 5 years down the line, ladies and gentlemen. So just a quick, I just want to support yung mga testimonies. Lahat po ng mga nakaitim, we have our own individual product experience. Tama ba? Because you cannot share the career or the opportunity if the product is not good. Even me, sabi ko nga, if I will be earning money just to scam people, sasabihin na maganda po yung product even though hindi. Tama po ba? I will not trade my integrity, ladies and gentlemen, because that's the only thing we have in this world. Kahit sobrang pinanganak ang pulube, no? Or mahirap, especially me, I came from a very, very poor family. When I was in elementary, wala po akong, I never experienced wearing shoes or sandals going to school. I only wear slipper. And the only hope I had when I was growing up, ito lang ang meron ako. And so I said to myself, sabi ko, kailangan ko pong mag-aral ng mabuti so that I could change my life. Tama ba?
Yes.
So that if I graduate as an engineer, my life will change. Maybe mas magiging maganda ang buhay ng mga anak ko in the future. Tama po ba?
Yes.
So, when I was in elementary, ladies and gentlemen, and I would like to remind each and everyone tonight that, di ba, when we were children, we dream without doubting, tama ba? We dream without even asking if this dream is really possible or not. We just dream and believe, tama ba? And I want to remind each and every one of you that because of this platform, ladies and gentlemen, when I started working as an engineer, especially when you are able to experience the reality, when you were a child, you were dreaming, and you thought na pag naging engineer ako, siguro magiging mayaman na ako. But when the reality comes, nung na-realize ko na, oh my gosh, hindi pala madali. So what happens is, when we started working, when we started growing up, and we become an adult, and we started working, we tend to forget the child that we have in us. Because alam na natin ang reality. Why would you dream of a mansion kung yung sweldo mo 20,000, 40,000, 50,000? Tama ba? What we do is you tend to be practical. Right? You tend to be practical para you can adapt in an environment, or else nangangarap ka lang na parang Cinderella. Tama ba? And so when I started working as an engineer, ladies and gentlemen, wala na po akong pangarap. I adapted my dreams to what I had during that time. And you know, when I was able to see that the product is really effective, and I was able to attend one of the leaders' recognition night in Hong Kong, and that was the time, I can still remember it, that was September of 2018 in Hong Kong, and that was my turning point. As an engineer, I worked for 13 years. And when I joined the LRM, and I'm very, very lucky because she is in this room tonight, the very reason why I decided to drop everything and take a hold at this hope, at that small lot that I was able to experience, or I was able to realize when I attended the LRM. When this woman goes up on stage, during the time he was the first Pegasus in the Philippines. And she is the very reason why we have Reway Philippines. Nung umakyat po siya ng stage, I asked my upline, Jed, sino siya? And she said, can we all put our hands together and acknowledge, palakpakan po natin our Team Supreme Pegasus 9, One Ring, Dayan Jemaan, palakpakan natin. Because when I asked Jed, sino siya? She's Dayan Jemaan. And she is grade 4. And she is selling DVDs and CDs, pirated DVDs in Chinatown. But then, sabi ko, magkano kinikita niya? Tama ba? Mukhang pera. And then, sabi ni Jed, Ate Mai, conservatively, around 7 to 8 digits in a month. And how long has she been doing Reway? Ate Mai, 3 years. And during the time, I was able to realize, sabi ko, I had been working for 13 years, but I wasn't able to achieve what she has achieved. So I tried to questioning myself. Sabi ko, maybe I am in this LRM because God wants to tell me something. And do you believe, ladies and gentlemen, that you are in this room tonight, not by accident, but you are destined to be here to hear something like this tonight. So if you really believed that nothing is accident in this world, which yun po yung nangyari sa akin, right after the event, I said to myself, I had been working for 13 years, maybe this time, I will give myself a chance. Tama ba? And so, during that time, I was working as an engineer full-time. And I was doing beauty business, beauty cosmetic business on a part-time basis. Sabi ko nga, really, when you are not in the right platform, because way back then, 6 years ago, ako po yung pinakamasipag na tao sa balat ng lupa. I work from Monday to Friday. On Saturdays and Sundays, I ride a bus overnight. I go places. Natutulog ako sa bus. I do skincare classes. But then bakit, despite doing 2 jobs at a time, hindi pa rin ako umaasenso? And I was so desperate for an opportunity. Tama ba? When you don't see an opportunity, you just tend to accept kung anong meron ka. Siguro, hindi na para sa akin yung mangarap. Tama ko ba? And so during the time when I was in Hong Kong, right there and then, I decided to drop everything. Sabi ko nga, when I was in Hong Kong, when I witnessed one of the leaders' recognition night, that's the time where I was reminded that there is still a child in me who at first was able to dream without hesitation, without question, without doubt. And so, I said, I will give myself a chance. And then, right there and then, ladies and gentlemen, I filed a resignation. I stopped doing my part-time business. And I started dreaming again like a child. And looking back 6 years down the line, it wasn't easy. If you will ask me, it wasn't easy, but it's also worth it. Because I will be here in front of you standing tall and proud, no, telling to you that my life and my family's life has been changed 180 degrees for the past 6 years, ladies and gentlemen. Do you know that when I started, wala po akong apply sa Manila? So, can you now realize na yung may mga apply, yung iba hatid sundo pa, sino yung may mga pa-service dito? You know, when I started, I was alone. I just go to the office, I attended every training para punuin to. Because first and foremost, ladies and gentlemen, you cannot share what you don't have. Tama po ba? No? And so tonight, sabi ko nga, OMG, one of my idols in Riway, he is here. No, do you know that we have in our Riway account, we have their videos? Sino yung nakakaalam? Na merong mga videos doon sa account natin sa Riway nakalagay, videos. And if you will take a look at it, nandun po lahat ng mga LRN. And if you are willing to learn, you can find any teacher, even the wall, you can find it as a teacher. And so, especially yung mga bago, please maximize your